All right, so you should be on lesson 8, level 3. So if we got that last one done, you should be good to go. Now, I'm recording these lessons, so if at any time you'd like to go back, I'll post these on Google Classroom so that you can go back, watch the video, and then you can zoom in, you can pause it, you can press play, pause, go all the way back to the beginning, and watch it and look at the code if you messed it up at any time, or if you're gone. So because of this OBS Studios, I'll be recording our lessons, so if I'm not up in front of the class, that's why. So if you have a question or need me to stop, you can either wait until the end of class, go back and watch those videos, or you can come up here and ask. But because of the mic and because of I need to be at my computer so that I can get the videos recorded, if anybody's gone, then I'm going to have to be up here. So if you have a question, you need to come up here and ask. Other than that, I'm not going to be able to help. So make sure that you ask your questions as you're asking them, because people that are at home or might be gone might have the same questions. Okay? So this one says debugging, more debugging practice. This page is a little more challenging to debug than the last one, which is fine. Okay, we can do it. To do this, so we are going to discuss with your partner what you think the bugs are on this page. Find and fix all the bugs so that your page matches the one on the right. So we want ours to look like this picture here. Hold on. I'm going to make sure, I'm going to see if there was a way that they did their border on the last one. Okay, I don't think that they did. I think they just had there's just a box there anyway. Okay, listen up. So we've got cat supplies. Looks like that's fine. Okay, that's our H1. It's right here on line 6. Our H1 is good. It's got our opening tag. It's got our closing tag. Okay. With the next one, it's got cat toys here, and it looks like it's a little bit bolded. So what does that tell us? That it's probably a what? A heading. Okay. What size do we think that heading is? All right. Let's try H3. So in front of cat toys, we are going to start our H3 tag. Okay, so click right in front of cat on line 7. Okay, we're going to do our less than sign. H3. And then our greater than sign. So less than H3 and then greater than sign. Okay, and then we're going to go to the end after toys. So I just used my arrow keys and went to the end after toys. And we are going to do our closing H3 tag. So less than sign, / H3 greater than sign. Yeah, that looks about the right size. Okay, so again, that closing tag was less than sign, / H3 greater than sign. Okay, it says keep your cat entertained. We've got that. And then looks like we have a bulleted list, and it looks like they want a numbered list. Okay, so let's change our bulleted list to a numbered list. So how do we do that? OL. Perfect. So I'm going to click right in front of the LI tag on line 9. So on line 9, just click right in front of that less than sign, and I'm going to press the Enter key. Okay, so I should now have a blank line on line 9. I'll help you in a second, okay? So I'm going to do an OL here on line 9. So less than sign, OL greater than sign. And then I'm going to go to the end of my list, and I'm going to put in my closing OL tag. Okay, so now I've got a numbered list. So on line 11, I went and pressed an Enter after that, and then created a OL closing tag on line 12. Okay, I tabbed in my LIs a little bit. Now if we look at our example, it wants catnip toys to be on its own separate list item. So how do I do that? Okay, so make another LI for catnip toys. So I press Enter here. I'm going to make an opening LI tag. And then I have to close out the last one from up here. Okay? Looks like that's about right. So this matches this here. Okay, so make sure that your code is like this, and you should be good to go there for lesson 8, level 3.